A good day, another vlog na naman tayo 'no, mga kaibigan, mga kabong. So for today's video, itong walang katapusang PWD or PWD versus LGBTQ++ na digmaan. So trending 'to na ngayon ano. Pero, bago 'yan ano, i-level up natin yung usapin. Pumunta na tayo talaga dun sa ano, sa trans 'no, kasi yung mga bakla naman, mga bading, guding daw 'yan or whatever 'no. Eh, pa-transition na 'yan sila na magpa-reassign nung kanilang ari 'no. So ito may papanoorin tayong isang video dito na, napapanahon 'no. Ito yung ano, yung sa YouTube channel ni Matt Walsh. So this is a formal debate nung kanilang mga kuro-kuro. So panoorin natin si Matt Walsh at yung kanyang transgender na mother na daw siya.
Hi, Matt. I'm transgender. I'm born and raised here in New Mexico. I have a graduate degree in information technology, marketing, business, and finance. I own my own home. I pay taxes. I have a six-figure job. I'm a respected professional in Albuquerque. I'm a mother. My
Mother?
life experience is that I'm an awesome person. I am well liked. I'm responsible, and I think I'm pretty cool. You touched on something.
Mm. Pansinin mo yung ano, yung kilay, yung expression ni Matt Walsh 'no. Ah, unbelievable
You
yung
said something
kanyang
earlier
reaction.
that for you, when somebody calls you a man, it doesn't faze you because, like, you just know that you're a man. That was interesting to me because I feel the same way about my identity as a woman. My question leading up to this, you've asserted that no one would ever see me as a woman, that nobody would ever see or could see a transgender person as a woman, and yet I have dozens of friends from diverse backgrounds, women from the reservation, a woman from Japan, several immigrant women. I have my coworkers, I have my boss, my VP, my CEO, all respecting me as a woman, my family, my long-term friends who are actually here with me. All of these people assure me, like, I'm a woman. They'll tell me, girl, like, there is no way you are a man. They see me as a woman. So the question,
Okay.
how can you assert that nobody would ever see me as a woman when my material experience tells me you're wrong?
Okay. It's interesting that that's the part of my talk you chose to ask a question about, because that's not in my talk at all. I don't believe I said that no one would ever see you as a woman. I mean, it's possible, I suppose, that you could fool someone. Now, you brought this up, so I have to tell you that you brought this up. You've put your identity on the table for conversation. And so I'm going to say you wouldn't fool me at all. I mean, I see a man 100%. And I think that most people would. Now, the fact that you have people in your life who are saying to you, oh, you're totally a woman, it's exactly what I'm talking about. No one in my life has ever once said to me, you're totally a man, Matt. You know, if a friend of mine called me on the phone and said, listen, Matt, I want you to know you're really a man, I would think that there was something wrong with him. I would say, why are you saying that at all? It doesn't make any sense. So the fact that this is a conversation to begin with tells.
So ito yung ano, ito yung validation ng mga ano, ng mga third sex no in particular na yung issue kay Jack Gaming, yung Sir Jack Gaming tsaka kay Aura. Kasi ginamitan ng her, no? Her and she doon. Then actress, yung mga words na yan is pertaining to woman or girl, no? Female. And usually yun man talaga yung kanilang, ano, kanilang habol yung mga bakla is ipagpalagay talaga na babae sila, which is sa conversation na to, that's really weird, di ba? Napaka-weird nun.
me, it only proves the point that I'm trying to make, that your identity, even in your own mind, is up for, is something that you need to be assured of. Now, what I would like to ask you,
Correct.
again, because you're standing here, and so you've brought your identity on the table for discussion. So how do you know that you're a woman?
It was first when I heard transgender persons describe their experience in their own words, and this was only about 2 years ago. Hearing somebody describe things, it was a woman from like England, describing her experience, her childhood, her teenage years. And it blew my mind to be listening to her, because it was just some podcast that I was listening to while I was like doing laundry. But it blew my mind to hear somebody so eloquently and precisely describe things that I had experiences
What
that
was
I
the
had
description?
experienced.
What did they say?
Okay, so I am honestly hesitant. I know that you touched earlier about the difficulty that transgender women might have in describing their identity, but I want to state, I honestly don't feel that you would engage in this conversation in good faith.
Then why are
And
you here?
so-
Why did you stand up to talk to me if you don't want to have a conversation? You're saying that you discovered that you're a woman. I'm asking you how you did. That's a very fair question.
Okay.
How do you know that you're a woman?
That's fine. All right. So first of all, listening to transgender people, and it was like, okay, this is a one-off.
Pansin mo yung influence ngayon, ano? Sinasabi nga nila na yung mga memes sa social media na kaya bumaba sa Pilipinas kasi mas marami pa yung bading kaysa sa mga puno, no? This is best example niyan, yung influence ng kaibigan, ng social media na yan, accepted sa lipunan yung pagiging bading or pagiging trans, no? So, based dito sa discussion nila, itong transgender na 'to is talagang hindi deeply rooted yung ano niya, yung idea niya kung bakit siya trans. Kasi ito nagpaputol na 'to, alalahanin niyo. So, successful sa buhay, may pera, may influence kasi ano 'yan, sikat nga daw siya sa kanilang campus o sa kanyang tatrabahuan.
One person describing these things, things like looking at yourself in the mirror and not recognizing yourself, hearing compliments like you are such an example, like a positive masculine role model, and just hearing that and being like, it feels like they're talking about somebody else. It means feeling alone, even when you're surrounded by guys, even when you have a lot of friends. And I was active in like Boy Scouts. I'm an Eagle Scout. I had great masculine role models my whole life, and yet I never felt like I belonged. I felt welcome and
But
included.
why does that make you a woman?
Because
As opposed to just a man who doesn't get along with some other men, or a man who's depressed, or a man who doesn't feel at home totally in his body, which, by the way, is a pretty universal human experience. Everybody goes through it at one time or another. So in what way does that make you a woman, though? And it's interesting. You're telling me that you listen to the experiences of other transgender people,
Well, yeah.
but what about women?
So
Because trans women are women, you would say, right?
I would say that. Yes.
Exactly the same?
Yes.
Okay, well then why do
Well-
you need to hear the testimony of quote unquote trans women? Like how you pick any actual woman in this room? In what way do you know that you belong in the same category as them?
I know because they tell me. So here was the
You need them to tell you what you are?
women. Yes, I trust the opinions of the women around
And
me.
if most
it's
women-
incredible. You might try it sometime.
If most women voted and said they don't see you as a woman, would you say I'm not a woman anymore?
If who?
If most women voted and said they don't see you as a woman anymore, would you then relent and say I'm not a woman?
I would say most people on the planet have no idea who I am. I'm going to trust the opinions of the people who've spent their lives with me.
But you are relying on other people to tell you who you are, is what we're establishing.
Sana may isang close person dito sa transgender na 'to na nagsabi sa kanya na, "Uy, lalaki ka dude," 'di ba?
Context. I know you like to think. I know you like to say. I know you like to say. everybody's rah-rahing and supporting transgender people, and yet they're still killing themselves, etc. But I'm standing here in a room full of people applauding you and asking questions like, how can I put out legislation here in New Mexico, my home state I grew up in?
Oh, speaking of legislation nga pala 'no, so mainit ngayon yung ano, yung SOGI bill sa Congress. Kasi tagal na kasi niyan, tagal na niya na panukala, up until now 'no, hindi pa rin yan sumusulong dahil siyempre sa batas natin, sa konstitusyon natin, lalaki at babae lang naman talaga yung ano, yung gender 'no, tsaka yung puwedeng ikasal, lalaki at babae lang. So yung sa SOGI bill kasi medyo 'pag tingin ko 'pag pumasa yan magiging katulad tayo ng Amerika na ang daming weird na mga tao.
To try to reverse transgenderism. I'm not safe. And it
How are you not
wasn't.
safe? You just said you're standing in a room with people who disagree with you, and you're perfectly fine. So how are you not safe? Okay, look, we're going round and round. You don't want to answer any of the questions. Maybe we'll end with this because we're talking about womanhood. So people can probably shout out the question I'm going to ask you right now.
Okay.
But you know that you're a woman.
Yes.
What is that?
So gender is a social thing. It only
I don't want
makes
to hear
sense.
that. What is a
social-
woman? What
No.
is a woman?
What is a woman?
The word woman, define in the dictionary. Go.
A woman is somebody who is included and respected and seen and participates in society, recognized by other women. If you speak with women,
Circular definition.
that's my whatever.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
So ito yung issue ng ano, yung issue ng kay Sir Jack Gaming tsaka kay ano, kay Aura. Na I'm speaking in the point of view ng isang magulang ano. So kasi may pinag-aaral ako ngayon, elementary. So in fact, pinasok siya sa private school para matutukan talaga. Medyo may kamahalan yung tuition fee pero syempre worth it naman yan dahil matututukan naman yung anak mo. So sa eskwelahan kasi, tinuturo diyan yung 8 parts of speech no, sa English subject, including yung pronoun, noun, adverb, 'di ba? Verb, adjective, predicate, 'di ba? Tinuturo 'yan. 'Yun yung ano, yung standard, no? And then sa mga teacher na nagsusumikap na ituruan yung mga anak nila na yung mga teacher na tinuturuan yung mga estudyante nila na kino-consider nila mga anak din, maturuan ng tama. And yet, 'pag nag-browse ka sa social media, nabasa mo na si Aura, ginamitan ng her and she and actress na word, she and her na pronoun pertaining to Aura, medyo magre-react ka talaga, no? I am coming for a point of view ng isang magulang and kaya hindi ko pinapahawak ng social media or ng cellphone yung anak ko na mag-scroll social media kasi marami ngang kaengklungan. So, alam naman natin na din makasalanan ni Aura yan dahil writer ng ABS-CBN yung nag-post, no, nag-post in social media. And I'm wondering no, saan nag-aral itong writer na nag-post ng article na to kay Aura. Kasi nasa shadow ban patuloy yung achievement, no? Yung magandang example na kahit, di ba, kahit bading ka o kahit bakla ka, nakagraduate ka ng high school. Yun sana yung naging highlights. Pero, yun nga, kahit naman ako matataka ako, maskulado si Aura. Not to mention yung issue niya sa bar, di ba, nung nagwalayan dahil yung issue yung sa punto na hindi siya naka-score doon sa lalaki, medyo yung thoughts mo doon ba na her, babae ba to? No? So sa mga bakla o kutomboy na nanonood ngayon, yung napanood natin itong yung nagpaputol na, medyo malabnaw yung kung saan siya nanggagaling di ba? Ito, nag-decide na talaga tayo magpaputol. And irreversible na yung mga bagay na yan. So, simple lang naman yan. Harap ka sa salamin, tignan mo yung genital mo, kung, di ba, kung may penis ka, lalaki ka, if you have the vagina, you're a woman, di ba? You're a girl, di ba? Ganun lang simple, huwag natin gawing komplikado na babae ako, na-trap ako sa katawan ng lalaki. So, do you mean to say na ang Diyos ay nagkakamali, 'di ba? Parang sinisi pa natin yung Diyos sa punto na 'yan 'no. Ito, marami akong, ah, katrabaho, acquaintances na part ng LGBT 'no. Ah, alam naman nila kung paano sila tinatrato. If they're, acting yun decently dun sa workplace, then okay, goods tayo. Pero siyempre if they cross the line 'no, eh, ibang usapan na yun. I will talk about na mali ang ginagawa mo, yung ginagawa hindi yung persona 'no. So, ano 'to, eye-opening 'tong ano 'to, eye-opening 'tong, issue nung kay Aura tsaka kay Sir Jack Gaming, ano, yung PWD versus LGBTQ plus plus. So, kung ikaw yung magulang ngayon, ah, 'wag niyong pahawakin ng social media yung anak niyo or mag-browse sa social media 'pag bata pa, 'pag hindi pa nakakaintindi. Kasi una baka magkamali nga naman, disrespecting nga naman 'yan sa mga teacher na nagtuturo sa mga estudyante nila, sa mga magulang na ginagapang yung kanilang mga anak para makapag-aral, para maturuan ng tama. Kasi ang lalaki ay him or his, 'di ba? Yun lang. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na 'to, consider to subscribe and hit that notification bell para notify sa mga future uploads natin. At kung may nakuha ka naman sa video na 'to, yeah, comment down below.